Bull run na nga ba? Question number 2. Para masabi natin na bull run na, kailangan nating balatan yung market. Saan ba nanggaling? Saan po nanggaling yung momentum paakyat? Because we need to define if it's A, organic, B, talagang buying power na ito ng retail plus institution. Based on our research on that second question, Kamiranda, mukhang hindi pa ito pure buying. Hindi pa ito pure buying behavior. Let me prove to you a point, no? If you guys would have recalled, binalita rin to ng Bitpinas, marami pong na-liquidate na shorts. No? Marami pong na-liquidate na shorts. Therefore, this particular pump, all right, is not necessarily an organic buying behavior. You need to remember, for the past couple of days, more than $1 billion shorts were liquidated and wiped out. No? As a matter of fact, almost $3.13 billion in crypto shorts were liquidated, Kamiranda, over 24 hours. So humigit kumulang 4 billion na shorts ang na-liquidate. Therefore, sa kabilang aspeto ng derivative plays, nagkaroon ng, sabihin na nating pangmalakasang impulse. No? Nakita po natin itong kandila na to. Itong aking hina-highlight ngayon, Kamiranda. So that's a valid point. Who is buying this market? No? For me, this is not purely organic yet. Do not get me wrong. I'm not saying it's just not inorganic. What I'm saying is we're seeing data points that show to us that this is driven. This market momentum is driven by liquidating people who are shorting the market to the tune of almost $4 billion for the past 6 days. Now, market structure, sabi natin, nagkaroon ng breakout. Therefore, TRBO, nagkaroon siya ng breakout. Nagkaroon ng run-up, initial run-up because shorts were liquidated. Umalangkada pa yung mga nakalong derivative play, Kamiranda. All right. Those two things are important for us to consider before we answer the question, bull run na nga ba? Pangatlo, tingnan po natin, alam nyo ba yung pag-akyat na yan ay somehow, nakakita tayo ng almost $500 million worth of Bitcoin ETF. Ito yung sinasabi natin. Matagal na. May nag-comment sa post ni Coach Miranda, is this your analysis or is there proof to this? No, na the public is led to believe that this is already a manipulation. Being puro retail fund, yung pala, Goldman Sachs bought the company called Neos na may 1.1 billion Bitcoin ETF para tapatan ng BlackRock. So therefore, napansin po natin, but for the past couple of days since Wednesday, data point, dumami ang bumili ng Bitcoin ETF. The largest inflow since May 4th. Right? May 4th. The total Bitcoin ETF this week is 1 billion in inflows, on track to the 5th positive week out of the 10 weeks. So, therefore, two answers. Who's buying this momentum? Number one, liquidated shorts. Number two, Bitcoin ETF.